Hi everyone, it's Falak and I hope you remember me. It's been a while since I shot a video, but I wanted to come up with a really special one. Therefore, I waited for this video because you know my love for jewelry, and in today's video, as you might have guessed from the title, it is going to be jewelry related. So therefore, just wanted to make a very special video around jewelry. And if you don't know, I really love jewelry and I always wear it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on my Instagram will be mentioned somewhere on the screen and in the description bar for you all. So if you have not followed me on Instagram, then you may go and follow me there. I promise you'll enjoy the content that I post on my Instagram too. So yeah, as I was saying, I really love jewelry. Therefore, I wanted to showcase some pieces which was sent to me by this brand Avni by Jiva. It is a sister brand of Jiva. So they sent me a few products and I absolutely loved the quality. Therefore, I wanted to come up here and show you all. The good thing is that I have a coupon code which I will be including in the video and on the screens for you all, so that you can go and shop. You will get an 18% off on your purchase. So I will be mentioning the code, and without wasting any more time, let's just get into the video. So before getting into the details, I just wanted to show you how the brand has sent me the products, and you will fall in love with the packaging itself only. Forget the the actual jewelry pieces, which you will absolutely adore once I'll show you. But first, can we adore the packaging? Like, oh my god, I really love it. I've received 3 boxes from them. Now let's get to the facts of why you should buy this jewelry. You should buy this jewelry because it is hallmarked. Yes, you heard it correct. It is a hallmarked silver oxidized jewelry that you'd get. Secondly, someone who has an allergic reaction to some fake jewelry, if you'd buy this, you will not have that. So people who get allergic reactions very easily can wear this jewelry, which is such a good thing. Thirdly, the designs. Oh my god, I really love the fact that the jewelry is very dainty and minimalistic. Their approach and designs are very minimalistic. Also, the good thing about this jewelry is that you can wear it on a daily basis. It won't get spoiled whatsoever. So that's a great thing about this jewelry. Now, talking about the delivery, talking about the shipment, they offer you express free shipping, so you don't have to pay any charges for the shipping. So whatever you're paying for the jewelry, that's the only amount that you'll be paying. No extra charges you will be incurring on your purchase. Secondly, you have a 30-day refund policy, so it is a win-win situation, and I definitely would recommend you to buy something like this rather than buying something cheap and fake in nature. Now let's get started with the first piece that they have sent me. Now the first piece that I'm going to be showing you is this. Now as you can see, it is a big box. Once you pull this out, you get this card which says Avni by Jiva, and then you see your jewelry piece. So as you can see, this is my first jewelry piece. It is in the shape of a heart. I will be showing you by wearing it, and it comes with this. This is the certificate of authenticity. This certificate tells you that this is 925 hallmark, which means that it is pure silver. Every piece has its own certificate, so if you are buying 2 pieces, you will get 2 certificates along with them, which means that the jewelry is pure and real. Once you pull this out, you can have an access to your piece. I will show it to you by wearing it. It is such a beautiful necklace. But first, can you look at the detailing of it? It is such an amazing piece, very dainty, and the heart has a crown on it. And also, if you talk about the chain, it comes with a relatively long chain, so you can wear it according to the length that you like. For me, I really like my jewelry to be very snug to my neck, so I wear it that way. But if you like it to be slightly loose, you can wear it because you get all these hoops here. So I will be wearing it and showing you how exactly it looks on my neck. So as you can see, it looks something like this, which I really love. Now the detailing of it can be seen from a distance. According to me, it is a great option for gifting. If you want to gift it to your brother, your sister, your partner, whosoever, I think this would suit anybody. Very dainty, very bohemian, very likely to be loved, and I don't think that I'm going to be removing it from my neck for a while now. So yeah, that is the first jewelry piece which they have sent me, and I will be mentioning all the prices on the screen and in the description bar for you all, along with the coupon code which will be flashing on the screen and in the description for you all, so that you can get the discount if you want to buy this jewelry. Now moving on to the next piece of jewelry, which will be liked by so many people who would prefer bohemian jewelry or minimalistic jewelry or the blend of both. The next jewelry that I'm going to be showing you is actually the studs. First of all, it comes in a packaging again like the previous one, with the certificate and the card that I showed you before. So we're not going to be discussing about it again. It comes with an authenticity certificate here. But can you look at these earrings? Like, let me just take them out. So again, you pull this out and you get the piece. Now if I show you the design, it looks so beautiful. If you look at the detailing of it is very intricate and delicate. It will be liked by somebody who wants to wear this but is afraid of wearing fake jewelry because of allergic reaction, and expensive jewelry because they can't afford it. So this is a perfect gift for them. You can buy it for yourself as well. Now if we talk about the comfort aspect, the pin isn't that long. That means it will not hurt the back of your ear, and it has a screw, which means it is very easy to wear and take off. Now I will show you how it looks on me. So this is how exactly it looks on me. Very dainty again. I don't think I'd be removing it anytime soon because it's such a delicate piece. I really love it. It is again good for both boys and girls. Boys can even wear it if they want, but it is something which I would recommend to a girl who has just gotten into jewelry, who has just gotten their piercing done, or somebody who goes to the office because you can't wear expensive jewelry or heavy pieces while you are at work. But this kind of jewelry is something really amazing. It can be worn by a child as well, because it's very comfortable. I cannot tell you how comfortable they are. I wish you could feel the jewelry and you would know, but if you'd buy it, you'd know it. So yeah, this is the stud that they have sent me, and I'm in absolute love with it. Now as the video is progressing, my jewelry is also progressing with me. So I have this beautiful necklace and these studs on, and I absolutely love them. I cannot stop raving about it. I'm so obsessed with the designs because these are so me. But wait, the best is yet to be shown. The next piece that I'm going to be talking about is the piece which is the most favorite of mine out of the whole lot, and I am going to be talking about again, it comes with the box and the usuals, the certificate and this. So we're not going to be talking about it now. The next piece is this. As you might have guessed, it is a ring, but what is special about this ring is that it is a ring with the heart. Now you can see my obsession with hearts. I really love this sort of design. So they were very kind enough to send me this piece with the heart again. They've sent me the necklace with the heart. They've also sent me the ring with the heart. Now the best part about this ring is that it is adjustable, which means it can be worn by anybody. If your fingers are slightly thinner, if your fingers are slightly thick, doesn't matter, it will fit you. So the sizing won't be an issue here. As you can see, see, it comes with an adjustable band, so you can like, you know, press it if you want to get it tight, and if you want it loose, you can like open it up. It can be worn in any fingers according to the liking. I really like to wear it in this finger or maybe in my index finger. It is such a beautiful piece to have. As you can see, I admire this a lot. If you are a little on the cooler tone, if you have a cooler tone in your complexion, then these kind of jewelry pieces would suit you so amazingly that I can't even tell you. But it looks so stunning. I am just in love. Okay, tell me in the comments down below how you like this jewelry on me and if you'd purchase it or not. I'm sure that if you'd see it, you'd sure want to go on the website and buy this for yourself as well, or your partner, or anybody that you'd want to gift it to. I really love how minimalistic the designs are. Look at the studs. The ring is so minimalistic, and this heart-shaped pendant, very girly if worn by a girl, and if worn by a guy, it would suit them you know, as well. So it is a very versatile piece in my opinion. This heart necklace specifically and these studs. This ring is so dainty. If you are somebody who likes dainty stuff and minimalistic stuff, then this is your piece. Okay, this is your piece. There are so many designs on their website. You can definitely go and scroll. These are just the few pieces that I own, but you know, you can go to their website and check the collection. It is so vast and amazing. You'd probably find your perfect piece there. For that, the website link will be mentioned in the description bar for you all, along with the links of the pieces that I am wearing in this video. All will be mentioned in the description so that you get an easy access. Also the coupon code, which is the most important thing because it will get you the discount. You will get 18% discount on your purchase if you use the code mentioned here on the screen, and I will be mentioning it in the description bar for you as well. So you may go and check the pieces and tell me in the comments down below if you'd buy them or if you have made the purchase already. I definitely would want to know about it. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram will be mentioned somewhere on the screen and the description bar for you all. Also, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below and tell me which piece is your favorite. Mine, I just can't decide. Like, I can't decide for which piece I like the most. I think all of them are my favorite. I love them all. So yeah, now I'll take your leave. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself and your family, and bye.